me home, country road. Guys, I guess I don't know by now, so I love country. I love driving far distance, going to the country. And this morning after the live, we just leave out and just straight down to country. We are heading for the country. So Mr. Myers is on the wheel of steel as usual, and I am enjoying the cool breeze, and we are chatting and just enjoying each other company. And guess what? I say wait, but we not start on a video for the people them see nothing yet. So I just say, you know what? Let's just pack my phone out and do a video. What you say now, Mr. Myers?
That is it. Yeah. This is how we roll.
So we are heading to Montego Bay.
People play far.
For Bakagad. Down, that's a Bakagad.
But it's true, she's not busy with the distance, so I know she's down in the vehicle.
Yeah. I'm here to chat and I enjoy each other company.
You have a drive party, away.
No, I'm not drive now, I'm mechanic. So guys, we have made a stop at the gas station. We call this rest stop now. So Mr. Myers have put some air in the wheel because I don't know we have far journey if we go. Gas station there. So I just go up there so a while ago go use them restroom. I see some old heap of cow come right here, so Mr. Myers.
So what you want to do? Be a cowgirl? I have no idea.
But what I notice is the baby ones them. You see them?
If you ever go over there, say you know cow stay. Every day when I eat cow.
Every time I eat beef.
Yeah. Anyway, let's go. We have a far way to go.
Yeah. Christmas in Jamaica, people. Christmas in Jamaica. Christmas in Jamaica, people. Christmas in Jamaica. Wanna see your Christmas nice at Jamaica? Wagwan. No, sir. Christmas in Jamaica, people.
That's a nice thing.
Christmas in Jamaica, people. Excitement. This is what we see while going down, and I have to stop to let you guys see a little of this. Yeah, belly woman. Yeah.
Hey, brother.
Guys, we are making a little stroll on the road and we are going to the shopping center, but I just saw this beautiful view and I just have to capture it to show you how beautiful Jamaica is. Beautiful. I know you can clearly see the sea, right? Yeah, man, that's the sea. We'll probably go get a dip in it. You say, babes?
Straight.
You get a dip?
Anything you say now, you're a boss. And you want to run last?
Money have to running up people. See money in the hand there.
Yeah, man, you're a boss.
How I get that money there?
Yeah, you man. My money are your money, your money are my money. The part you don't like here.
Which part?
Your money are my money.
But obviously it's true. And there is some decoration going on right there. Christmas, when you talk about the Christmas holiday. The Christmas holiday, when you talk about the Christmas holiday. Right into the little plaza here. And the Mr. Myers come to the video for me and him now come out come greet people. See me? See him there my sleep. You asleep? So right out of Jack Stall here, so we stop people. And I see that man here. Him call out here, so him one little section here, so the peanut world. So yeah? Yeah, you can stop and get your peanut. Natural peanut, and this is how it look after. Remember them peanut you're growing up? Remember them type of peanut you're growing up? And one of them you go buy, you know. You don't know a support. We are all Jamaican and we are all for Jamaican. So him there do him look business people. So me I stop and support him. And him look business I go on up people because since me stop here so enough people stop and I buy. So I can show you in the pan. Him now go really have no time to talk to me now because I'm busy, but I saw him keep them hot. And I'm going to just grab one and go on in the basket. Just tear off the bag people to see what I want. I saw them one here make. Alright guys, see peanut them here. Them nice, you see. So them type of peanut you know, see I use shell them you know. Nice, them just parch and guess what them hot. Alright, hold this babe, so this one can go.
This so tight.
Yeah man, them you know ask if they do one.
And let them say love me.
Let me not love you. Alright, me give some. Give him some more.
I use the love as a verb and the action word.
The way me treat you over the weekend. Oh. That you fit talk about open your hand full. Me full your hand, make them see it.
My hand look like here.
Alright guys, so this is it. Me go enjoy my peanut. Yep. Peanut. I love these things. Woo! You even want a little one, man. So I just pass the roadside so people may get the roadside experience. So a corn soup and roast yam and saltfish and all them something there. So the soup that. So I drink one cup of soup. I support mommy little soup man much as me. Yeah. See soup here people. Chicken foot and cow skin right at the roadside here so.
Fake spen there.
Fake spen. A fake spen out here so?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright, come back that way, Mom. I go hold up the camera. Come back that way, because you know why not. Oh. Alright. What am I saying, Carly? Okay. Soup tastes good. Babes, you know your belly full, boy, have you taste some mic, come on, I come. See me corn here, people? And a sweet corn, this is not a sweet corn. I got the roadside experience and I love it. Breeze nice. You need to taste soup, babes. Yes, sir. That's what we're gonna have with the jerk chicken. Some nice refreshing jelly water. Yeah, chop it like you used to. Where you waste my water? I'm going to say I chop it like you. You used to chop jelly, but no, me take that back. You mean me not easy? Wait for your chicken, yeah? You eat the thigh part of the chicken. Watch out, hit no stuff up things there, boy. And you want one leg or on the leg? Yeah, so you want pepper or nothing? Ketchup and pepper. Outdoor settings. Anywhere we go, we carry food. Food is the stuff of life. Alright, so I love you, lollipop pepper.
That me I say, you know.
I love you, lollipop pepper. But that's supposed to be alright, though. You enjoy your chicken, don't you? Eh? And then you talk about say me go find place, me go find supermarket buy chicken because I want jerk chicken. And look who I enjoy it, people. Who is that? If I'm out start bubble before mines. If I'm out start bubble before mines. Eat it.
What you do?
Jerk it, then I eat it.
What you do?
Yum it.
Okay. All of a sudden you become a English.
Come proper, because I'm old.
Jamaica there, yeah?
But I'm still old.
Well smoked, properly done. Police kitchen. Well done. See that? When you see that, you know what take place. Bam.
What more do I love than this? Tell me. Oh Lord. Whew. Again. You leaving some for me? You leaving some for me?
Taste.
No, I don't want taste. I want to all of that well in there.
You can get all of this.